Everything you're watching right now, the script, the voice, the motion graphics, I build by hand, one piece at a time. This repo does all of it, from a single prompt. It hit #1 on GitHub trending in a week, so I opened it up to see what's actually inside. It's called OpenMontage. The pitch on the tin, the world's first open source, Agentic video production studio. Point your coding agent at it, Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and it turns into a full video team. Research, script, voiceover, visuals, final render. Last month it was nothing. Then it shot straight to #1 trending. So does it actually work? You give it one line. Make me a 60-second explainer on black holes. And it goes. It writes the script. It generates the voiceover. It builds the charts and the B-roll. A few minutes later, an actual video file lands in your folder. No timeline, no editor. You didn't touch a single frame. And here's the part that broke people's brains. The cost. The author says a 30-second anime short runs about 15 cents. A minute-long Pixar-style short, about $1.30. Try pricing that on a hosted tool. But read the fine print. That 15-cent video isn't animation. It's 12 still images with camera moves on top. Real generated motion costs more. So, what is this thing really? Here's the twist. It's not a new AI model. It generates nothing on its own. Open the repo and there's no magic engine, just Markdown and a folder of Python tools. The README says it straight. There is no code orchestrator. Your coding assistant is the orchestrator. The intelligence lives in the instructions, not the code. And it's not freestyling. The agent isn't allowed to just wing it and call APIs. Every request is forced down a pipeline. Pick a recipe, read its manifest, read each stage's director skill, then act. Research, proposal, script, scene plan, assets, edit, compose. It's an assembly line. And the agent is the worker reading the manual at each station. Now, the headline numbers. 500 plus skills, 52 tools, 12 pipelines. Impressive until you count them. A lot of those skills are reference pages, not distinct abilities. The repo's own index lists about 47. The README can't even agree with itself. 500 in one place, 400 in another. The engineering underneath is real. The scoreboard is padded. And then I saw what it's built on. Remotion to render. ElevenLabs for the voice. FFmpeg to stitch it together. That's not just a familiar stack. That's my stack, the exact tools behind this video. OpenMontage didn't invent a new way to make videos. It automated the glue between the tools I already use by hand. So, what's the catch? 3 of them. 1, the license is AGPL. That covers the code, not the videos you make, so selling your output is fine. 2, the genuinely cheap path is stills with motion on top. The cinematic stuff needs paid video models and a GPU. 3, it's a developer tool. No coding agent, no terminal, no studio. The developer behind it isn't anonymous either. Same person who shipped Crucix, another 10,000 star project. So, why #1? Because it's the dream every developer has. Describe it and it's done. And it really does run. But the one thing it still can't do is taste, knowing what's worth making. This video was still made by a human, for now.